Hi Professor, my name is Bhumika Patel and my student ID number is N01580523, and here is my reflection video for my understanding about three circle model. So starting with what exactly it is and how it works, as far as what I understood, basically we have three circles comprising of customer, competitor and company, and the middle portion where all the three circle meets, basically the intersection portion, is the competitive advantage of that company. So in simple language, it means that if a company is focusing on their potential customers, so what exactly they are offering different than the competitors. So that's how three circle model works. Coming to what how it applies to brand communication. So in terms of communication, it is very important that the message that companies willing to provide to their customer, it should be very clear, concise and to the point. So through this model, not only they get an idea of how to address their customer, but they exactly know that what they have to tell their customers, just to make sure that what they are offering in terms of competitive advantage compared to other competitors. So that's the thing. And what actually made me surprised about this topic is that I was totally unaware about what exactly is three circle. I never heard it since I'm not the student from this background. So it was totally new for me to hear this concept. So earlier as a layman, I was always thinking about being a customer. I used to always think, okay, this is what I'm getting and all. But now, not only from a customer point of view, but I'm also thinking from company's point of view as well. So I do have an ambition about opening my business in long-term future. So now I know that what I have to tell to my customers to make sure that what my company is gonna do different from the competitors in that particular aspect. So that is something was very surprising for me. And now when it comes to all the advertisings, I am just looking what exactly they are doing different from the competitors. And lastly, we have how this learning relates to brand communication. Okay, so how it relates, it's when it basically it's really important for all the companies to make sure that they have an emotional storytelling which helps them connect to their customers. So if they understood what exactly they are giving different from their competitors, that's when they'll be able to connect with their buyers. So so it is really important that when it is about making a ad, their message should be very clear, that what they are planning to offer is not only fulfilling customers need, but it is being different what competitors offers. So I believe that is what is important for this model, and this is how it relates to marketing and communication in general. So yeah, this was my understanding, and I'm really thankful to you for teaching me this particular concept, because I literally didn't knew it existed also. Thank you for all your teachings to us. Thanks.